In this video, I will show you how to transform back bent to back straight. Choose Object Selection tool. Press V key, Ctrl J. Hold Alt click. Choose Select. Choose Modify, Expand. Choose Lasso tool. Choose Generative Fill. Press V. Choose Edit. Choose Puppet Warp. Hold Alt key. Hold Alt key again. Press Enter. I'm done. Before and after. Don't forget like this video and thanks for watching.